Hello friends, welcome back to my channel once again. I hope you like this video, and before get started, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And the question is, India spots to which position in Global Home Price Index 2021 is? Actually, India has moved on from 43rd position to 55th rank, and the answer is 55th position, which was prepared by London based Knight Frank. Around 56 countries have been ranked, and Turkey is a leading annual ranking according to London based Knight Frank. Next question. Pritzker Prize Gottfried Boom passes recently. He belongs to which profession? You know that architecture, and Pritzker Prize is given to the field of architecture, and Gottfried Boom is the first German architect to be awarded this prize. He passed away recently at 101. Most of his notable projects were built in Germany, such as Bunsenberg City Hall in 1969 and Pilgrimage Church in 1968. Next question. Recently, International Cricket Council Player of the May is Scotland, Catherine, and Bangladesh. Rahim has the winner of ICIC Player of the Month award for May. Catherine Bryce is an all-rounder, and she is the first player from Scotland, male or a female, to make it top 10 in bowling or batting according to ICIC player ranking released recently. And Rahim was a Bangladesh player and ICIC Men's Player of the Month for May 2021. Next question. Which government will represent its own version of Bharat Ratna and Padma Award from next year? The government of Assam has stated that they institute for other civilian honors also, such as Assam Bishwa Bhushan for 3 people, Assam Bhushan Awards to 5 people, Assam Shri Award for 10 people, and recently the government of Assam has stated they will present their own version of these awards. Question. G. Gukesh win Gel Fund Challenge title in which sports is he belongs to chess. Recently he wins an Gel Fund Challenge title, and he wins a wild card for a Elite Meltwater Champions Chess Tour. India's D. Gukesh became the world's second youngest grandmaster in chess. Next question. Home in the World book by Amartya Sen. We know that he is one of the world's leading public intellectual of our time, the Nobel laureate Amartya Sen. By this book, he shares a detail from his life and how he explored the idea of home and the studying economics for the first time in Calcutta, moving to colleges and Saints has been many places in his lifetime, how Rabindranath Tagore has been named him Amartya, etc. Next question. National Award winning Kannada film actor recently passed away. He is Anchari Vijaya Garu. He recently passed away. He is a National Award winner and also a Best Actor Award at 62nd National Film Awards. Next, Nirmal Malik Garu, and she was an Indian women volleyball team captain. Recently died because of COVID. Next, Raghubir Singh Garu was decorated with a Mahavir Chakravarti in 1965 India Pak World War. He recently passed away at 99. And this is the picture of Raghubir Singh Garu. He died due to old age illness. He commissioned on April 18, 1943 as a second lieutenant guards and also fought a number of wars including Second World War II, and he participated in Burma War also in 1944 and went to Japan to fight for a country, such a legendary one who fought for a country in many wars. Next question. 47 G7 summit held in at Cornwall, United Kingdom. It was hosted by United Kingdom as it holds the presidency of G7 summit for 2020. And Narendra Modi has virtually participated in the meeting called G7 Summit Members of One Earth, One Health. The theme of the summit is Building Back Better. Next question. India has been ranked at which spot among 114 countries in World Giving Index 2021 by Charities Aid Foundation. And India has been ranked at 14th spot among 114 countries. And the World Giving Index ranking has been topped by Indonesia, followed by Kenya, Nigeria, and Myanmar, Australia in top 5 respectively. And next question. Naftali Bennett takes charge as a new Prime Minister of which country? And he's a Prime Minister of Israel. Naftali is a former Defense Minister of Israel and a leader of Yemeni party, took as a Prime Minister of Israel country. Reuven Rivlin is a President of Israel country, and coming month, Herzog is elected as 11th President of Israel. Next question. Who has been appointed as a new brand ambassador of biotechnology company MyLab Discovery Solution? Who is a film actor has been appointed as a new brand ambassador? Means Akshay Kumar has been appointed as a brand ambassador of biotechnology company MyLab Discovery Solutions. Next question. As per the Global Skills Report 2021 released by Coursera, globally India has been ranked to 67th position. Actually, the India has adopted to the digital transformation from the past 2 decades. India has ranked 55th position in business and 66th position in both technology and data sciences. According to the Global Skills Report, and Switzerland has topped this index in this year. Next question. Indian Institute of Technology Ropur Professor bags an NSG award for a blast resistance helmet. His name is Shailesh Govind. He developed a device called Jeevan Vayu. Mission is India's first mission that even functions without electricity and can work on both kinds of oxygen generation units like CO2 cylinders and oxygen pipelines in hospital. And this mission is useful for the patients suffering in a COVID. And this is the first mission developed by Govind Garu. Next question. Which Indian wrestler won the gold medal in 53 kgs category at Poland Open recently is Vinesh Phogat, and she is an Indian wrestler who comes from a successful family of a wrestler with her cousins Geeta Phogat and Babita Kumar. She's also an international wrestler. And Vinesh Phogat is from Haryana, and she lifted her third title of this season against Ukrainia's Kristina Bereza. Question. Every year, the Global Wind Day is celebrated worldwide on June 15th to spread awareness about various uses of wind energy and how wind energy can help to change the world. Actually, Global Wind Day was first inaugurated in 2017. The current name was given later in 2019. So, since 2017, the day is celebrated annually as far as World Wind Day 2000 theme is concerned, but not yet announced. Next question. Who has been appointed as a honorary member of WHO's technical advisor group is Mukesh Sharma is one of that advisor group, and advisor group is an advisor body to provide technical guidelines and input to support WHO's effort and work in the fields of air population and health issues. Mr. Sharma is a faculty at IIT Kanpur, has been honored this advisor. Addresses the Global Yoga Conference 2020 was Dr. Harshavardhan, and Union Minister of Health and Family Welfare addresses this Global Yoga Conference, and the event was organized by Ayatan Yoga Sansthayan along with the Ministry of Ayush, Government of India and other etc. 7th International Day of Yoga. It's on 21st June. Thank you so much. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. We'll meet in next session. Bye.